Hi, I'm Pat Iyer. One of the things that attorneys may ask you to do as a legal nurse consultant is to give them some ideas for a deposition they're planning to take of a defendant nurse, as an example. Most LNC programs don't teach this skill, and attorneys may assume that you know how to do it. I've gotten many phone calls from attorneys when I served as an expert witness for 20 years along the lines of, I'm taking the deposition of the nurse tomorrow. What do you want me to ask her? That was often a last-minute question, and I had to stop and think about what the case was about, review records, and assemble my thoughts. We'd like you to not feel some of that panic that I felt the first several times I got those phone calls, and show you a structured process for developing questions for a deposition. There are certain background questions about nursing and about that nurse's history, working, educational program that you can provide to attorneys, and there are also some case-specific questions. In our November 13, 14, 15, 2025 LNC Success Online Conference, we're going to be building on a set of case materials that you'll be using throughout the conference. First, analyzing this case for merit, and then secondly, writing some deposition questions. And then lastly, having an opportunity to start summarizing a deposition transcript from the actual case. Because another question attorneys will ask you is, could you give me a summary of this deposition? And you may say, of course, and then get off the phone and think, and how am I supposed to do that? So we're going to share with you how to do that. Join us by going to the link below, LNC.tips/NOV25. This is our 12th online conference designed to be able to provide you with the education from the comfort of your own home at a fraction of the cost of going to an in-person event. Invest in yourself, block off those 3 days and join us. LNC.tips/NOV25.